Welcome back to another video. For this video, I'm going to be doing a Dracula vampire Halloween nail design, and I'm starting off with some full cover stiletto nails from AliExpress. And the first thing I'm doing is just applying some base coat gel to the nails, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Then I'm going to go in with 2 coats of white gel polish. After curing my second coat of white gel polish, I'm then going to apply my nail decals. I printed out these decals myself on some water decal paper. I just found these images on Google Images by just typing in Dracula, and I made sure that the images were in a PNG form, which means that they have a transparent background, so that way it will apply to the nail and not have a white edge around it. If you're interested in making your own nail decals, I'll leave a link in the description box to the video that I watched to learn how to make them, and you can just follow those steps, just finding whatever images you choose and print it out that way. For the blood effect that I'm doing, I'm just using some red gel polish that came in a gel pot from AliExpress, and I'm just using a medium-sized dotting tool going around the edge of the nail, and then I'm just going to make a little dot and pull it upwards so that it looks like blood is dripping. For the ring finger, it's going to be my blood splatter nail. So I tried to do what I've seen people do in videos using the spider gel, I guess is what you call it. So it's just like wrapping the gel around the nail so that it's kind of thick and has like a 3D texture to it. So I just did that in a random order so that it would just look like blood splatter. After curing everything in the lamp, I just went back in with some top coat gel, and that's it for this nail design. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really enjoyed doing this Halloween nail design, and I have a few more Halloween designs coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my new videos. Bye!